2, 3.
Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Crafty Bird Girl with ASL and voice. Today I'm going to be making a special cooking activity. I'm going to be making a Memorial Day of oatmeal cookie with no sugar. So let's get started. Everyone is ready? Let's get. First thing we need is a bowl and a cup of flour, a baking soda, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of butter, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, vanilla yak, and this is what we use, a coconut oatmeal, and flour, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and a pan with a aluminum foil, or you can use a parchment paper. So first thing we need is 1 tablespoon of soda. We poured it in. 1 tablespoon of soda. And 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla yak. We're going to use the same spoon and put some vanilla yak. And we pour it in. And now we need 2 eggs. 1, 2. And then we're going to take 3 cups of Roll Oat Coconut. Use a measuring cup with 2 cups. One, we pour in the bowl, then 1 more cup. And pour it in. Now we have 3 cups of oat coconut. Now we need flour. We forgot 1.5 cups of flour. This is 1 cup and 1.5 cup. And 1 cup of butter with 2 sticks with butter. So we're making 1 cup of butter. And now let's stir it up. And one thing we were going to put, we did a vanilla yak. Alright, it's the first time making this oatmeal cookie. My very first time. Yummy. No sugar. Very healthy. Make sure they're all mixed because there's 2 eggs in there. And we're going to make sure it all mixed together so it to be tasty really good. I didn't add with raisin or walnut because they already had coconut inside. It's more tasty. And it has more a little bit of a cinnamon, you know, and all that. Okay, now, as we're going to take some tablespoon, and we're going to put it in one hand and one palm of a hand, like you see right here. So we're going to take one, and we're going to put it like that. Not very much, because if not, it'll make it like a pancake. And make a ball. And then we flat it like a cookie dough. There we go. I'm sure you guys are going to make it. It's a really good special day to make. Even Memorial Day, 4th of July, or different holidays. Put too much there. Here we go. And we pat it like a pan burger. Then put it here, then another one. Make sure it's still, you know, because there's still butter in there. So we're going to pour and smash it until the butter is still smashed. Even though I melt butter, it's a good idea to melt butter. It's easy to, you know, stir it. Smells good. Well, as you know, when you patted all your cookie dough and you fill up all in the pan, and usually parchment paper, but I use some aluminum foil. And now, as we preheat it 350 in the oven until 10 or 12 minutes until they're golden brown. And that's it. So stay tuned for the next part 2. See all the delicious of oatmeal with no sugar. Have a great day, everyone, and happy Memorial Day. Bye. And don't forget, thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And click the red box and notification bell. You will not miss a fun craft. Bye, everyone. Have a safe, wonderful day. Bye. See you next time.